Somebody comment and say, me need to bring back Beanie Man crown go game. Well, no easy, you know. Anyways, me now bring it back go give Beanie. Me I take it off. And Cartel, since they crowned the new king. See a Burger King crown now. Anyways, tonight video we have a nice piece of lineup. Few videos. IT and Fancy Cat Show. No long talking, we are jump right tonight.
Yes, so once we get done here, the deal is sealed, you know? Get up! I'm sorry. This is my lovely wife, Annie.
Mr. Wang Kingley.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Wang. And this is your date, my friend.
Kiss me, granny Gertrude, at a man favor statue.
Wang did not get a name.
Her name is Jennifer.
Jennifer, very long name, Jennifer.
And she says, you look so lovely, and it's her pleasure to make your acquaintance.
This is what you say? Oh, one thing, Jennifer, talk a little more colorful.
Mrs. Mom telling say, no rain not falling, can take off the umbrella.
Umbrella? Rihanna?
Miss...
you pray or meditate? You're not feeling good?
Open your eyes, dear.
Me can't open up, Mama.
What the, I don't understand. Yeah, you have a very strong accent. You twang like man from Cliffy. Hey.
Well, yeah, she's closing her eyes because she's enjoying the music.
Right.
She loves music.
Oh.
Yeah, eyelash too heavy, Mom. And the shoes are quick. Listen, man, you know, say, if your boot squeeze, it can blind you, ma'am. And if your brazier stop squeeze, you can give gas, ma'am. And if your garter squeeze, you can percolate a peg, ma'am.
Jennifer, excuse me, gentlemen. Jennifer and I are going to the bathroom.
Me don't want to do, ma'am.
She said dodo. I'm not eating dodo.
Sorry, I apologize, Mr. Wang.
Jennifer, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Jennifer not used to them life, yeah. Jennifer used to going to the corner shop and getting quarter pound of chicken and quarter pound of chicken bag. Jennifer not used to fancy lifestyle. Anyways, I tell Fancy Cat, them same thing else, you know. We're gonna run through the last piece of moving forward. Oh no, we're continuing.
Where, ma'am? But we not blood and bother me.
Jennifer, listen.
Look here, let me just talk what go on. You see, Mr. Chin? Mr. Sar couldn't find no date for come with you. And you know want your bets and no sign the contract.
Jennifer!
And them say they want you have a good time. Well, since you don't want him to have a good time, you no turn up the music.
What the shit? What? Wow. Why would I
Annette,
I know popcorn. Yeah. Give me fucker.
Right.
Give it to me. One to the king to the me. I like Jennifer.
Yes, good. You could just sign.
Okay. Okay.
All right, the paper sign. We ready, Mr. Sar. Come, Mrs. Ma'am.
Jennifer, you don't go. Come back.
Come, Mrs. Ma'am.
I'm not finished getting the dance.
Miss Jennifer.
Oi, Jennifer come to do her job. And guess what? Jennifer did her job. And guess what? Jennifer decides that she leaving after her job is done. That is it. Which is right. I'm crown there. The Beanie Man and Vice Cartel crown in my fight over there. Well, job, see it here. But yeah, that was a nice piece of video. You hear a song where you play broke it down? So, oh, I see. That's how the Chinese people them I give Jamaica so much contract. When they come to negotiate, we give them one of our sister them. Never see a lane without a turn in. Anyways, we're moving forward.
You should go your yard, see?
Yeah.
I see a man in your yard with your wife.
Your yard.
Yeah, not in for rock.
Hold on, okay. You got your yard.
Yeah.
I'm a man.
Yeah.
Now your bedroom.
Yeah.
With your wife.
Yeah.
tell me now, you go a your yard and you catch a man in a your bed with your wife and you make the man run you out of your place, left your wife, brother, the woman and the man have to lift up and the woman don't bother go, oh, it's not what you think. Lady, what you mean? I know what me think and what me see with my own eye. Boy, me never catch nobody then with it, but anyways, we move forward.
Miss, wait your turn.
Miss. Bob, you have to help me. You have to help me back. Do me, I beg you, please.
Okay, madam. What's your problem, madam?
No, just tell me how much time you have left. Tell me, give it to me straight.
What you mean? Tell me the symptoms, yeah?
Then say me nails the power fleek, me body up, and me ear a kick out.
Don't worry about it, madam. That's just how these young people talk. You see, what they're trying to say is that your nails look nice and trendy. Your body looks beautiful for a woman of your age. And of course, your hair look nice. So what's the problem?
Then I look me down.
Oh, no. I'm just trying to tell you that that's what these young people are saying.
So, what make you let me answer quick all of a sudden, eh? And as you hear your contact about no, so quick. What wrong with me?
Madam,
What wrong with me? Why you wouldn't want me?
you see, this is not my place. And that's not what we do here.
So, what it is going to be that? Eh? You want me or not?
Well, you see, it's not my place, no. That's not what we do here.
Well, look here now. That you're missing out. Because my nails, they can't fleek, me body up, and me ear a kick out, so you're lucky.
These young people, old people.
These young people, old people. Listen, everybody, match your woman them nice, match your woman them take care of themselves, then take care of them body, then young girl them bad, they just love road. But no one them, brother. Pass around donkey them. Anyways, match your lady, you look good and your hair fleeky and your nail fleeky and you want the doctor and the doctor attracted to you, but the doctor be professional. That's how you're supposed to be. Yeah, we come to the end of our next video, a short one this. Hope you like it. If you like it, like it. If you like it, leave a comment. Tell me what you like about the video. Share with your friends, your neighbor, your dirty nasty foot friends, your ex. Yes, share it with them. Let them have a laugh too. And subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified so you can come back tomorrow, the next day, have a laugh. And as always, stay safe and what? God bless.